Today I am going to introduce you to the Iyanu backpack because I feel like I have not done so officially on your YouTube. So, ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to Iyanu. So this is what she looks like. Now, if you follow us on our social media handles or you are part of the Facebook community, you would already know how she got the name Iyanu. True life story. Hey, so the Iyanu backpack is so versatile. I love her so much. She can be used for several occasions. She can be used as a gym bag, diaper bag, school bag, work bag, play bag. You name it, for travel, just name it. This bag is so versatile, and she's a soft and slouchy bag, which means that she's comfortable to carry. Okay, she doesn't strain your back, and she's comfortable, like super duper comfortable to carry, and she takes the curve of your body when you carry her. So the Iyanu backpack was created because when I want to go on 3-day trips, like a weekend trip or just 3-day trips, I would have a backpack to carry. Now let us go over the features of this backpack, and let us start with the exterior. Now on the exterior, you find 2 side pockets. Now these pockets are optional. You don't need to add the pockets when you're making yours. They're super duper optional, and they're simple to make, guys. Trust me, very simple to make. And on the back, you'd find a zipper pocket that is big enough to hold your phone. So this is simply like an anti-theft pocket. The backpack straps are adjustable. Obviously, we have a top handle which you can decide not to add, but I feel like a top handle is necessary for a backpack. And this is what the front looks like. So this is what the front looks like, and this is what the back looks like. Okay, so let's talk about the interior. So when you open the flap is held together with a magnetic snap. So this is it right here. You connect and it snaps in place. Okay, and we have these 2 rectangle rings that makes this part, which is the snap holder, adjustable. Okay, so when you've filled your bag so much, the snap holder may not be able to get to where the snap is at this point, so you would have to adjust this area right here in order for the snap holder to meet the snap on the main part. Okay, so when you open it up, we have a drawstring closure because this is a drawstring bag. Right, let me open it up, and we have to pull this down. So when you open it up, this is what the exterior looks like. I don't know if you guys can see this, but we have a large opening that can contain a lot. Okay, so this zipper pouch pocket right here is totally optional. So we have a zipper pocket right here that is big enough to contain your phone, but surely you can add other things to the pocket. And this zipper pouch pocket here serves as a 2-in-1 pocket. Okay, so it serves as a slip pocket right here, and it also serves as a zipper pocket because you can open up the zipper right here and it gives you another pocket. Okay, so we have a slip pocket right here, and we have a zipper pocket right here. Now this is to the back of the bag. All right, now to the front we have a cargo pocket right here. So this right here is a cargo pocket. So on the interior altogether, we have 5 different pockets, which are totally optional, but do you, okay? Do whatever rocks your boat. Now I'm going to leave all the relevant links in the description box below. The link to the tutorial, the link to where you would get the pattern. This pattern has already launched, but I just feel like I have not done a proper introduction for you all here on YouTube. So go get the Iyanu backpack, and I cannot wait to see your version of this backpack. At the end of this video, I am going to leave my testers mix, so you are going to see different versions from our testers so that you are inspired and you get ideas on how to make yours and how to combine the fabric and all of that. And one thing I also like about this bag is the base, guys. I don't know if you guys can see the shape of this base. Can you see this? It's not like a straight just a straight or just a rounded base, but it's making sense, right? So yeah, and with all of that being said, thank you so much for being here.